The only tips I want to give is just follow what the teachers say, especially Arief sir and Harika ma'am. Those two teachers are, brilliant. I cannot deny the fact that they have been really excellent. The knowledge they have, yeah, I'm amazed by the knowledge they have. They have good experience, they have good knowledge, everything.
Hello everyone, welcome to Light Expertise. I'm Dr. Sadamni, one of the members of the Light Expertise, and today we have with us Tauqeer. Hi Tauqeer, welcome to Light Expertise, and congratulations on clearing your OPRA exam. How are you feeling?
Hi Saudamini, I'm feeling good. Yes, I cleared the OPRA exam with the help of elite expertise. Yes, I'm feeling good now.
Please tell us more about yourself. Where are you from? What did you study?
I'm from Sydney. Currently, I'm living in Sydney, but I come from India. I'm from Hyderabad. So I studied my bachelor's in pharmacy back in Hyderabad, and I came here in Australia a couple of years ago. I started studying masters in health management, but I didn't find any good career opportunities in that master of health management. So I tried to, get involved in the OPRA exam and try myself to get a provisional license. So one of my friend, I got to know about the elite expertise from one of my friends. He cleared the exam in one go with the help of elite expertise. He recommended me to, join elite expertise, so I did. So yeah, now I can proudly say that my decision to join elite expertise was good. Yeah, with my dedication, hard work, plus of course cannot deny the fact that elite expertise, their efforts to make me pass this exam was uh, really good. So with these things, I was able to pass the OPRA exam.
Okay, so in how much time preparation you completed your OPRA exam? And each day, how much time did you dedicate to yourself?
I started preparing in May. I roughly took around two and a half months. In those 2.5 months, I used to study 2 or 3 hours every day. But in last 1 month, I started studying vigorously. Like I used to study 8 to 10 hours a day in last 20 to 25 days. So I used to even continue going to my job as well. I used to work part time here. So I used to manage my workload, and also uh, I was able to study the OPRA exam. I used to listen to the recorded lectures. Yeah, I was able to easily manage everything because the the content the elite expertise has is very, I could easily grasp it. So it was not much issue for me. I used to work, I used to study, and then I used to do my everything.
So, how was your last month preparation? Like, how did you manage your study, your work, and everything?
So I used to work like 4 or 5 days a week every day, but in the last month I applied for a sick leave for my job. So I used to work not more than 2 days a week, two or sometimes three, not more than that. So yeah, it was easy for me because I applied for sick leave. I had good time for myself to prepare for this exam. So I used to wake up and just give my time to the OPRA exam. And it was not like, it was not like boring. So if we read for 10, 12 hours, we usually get bored. But with the elite expertise team, the content they have, the way they teach, I really like it. It's just like very interesting when I continuously see the recorded lectures or live lectures, or sometimes I also used to go through the handouts. And also, the main thing is the mock exams. So I used to do it one by one, so that I do not used to, get bored.
Okay. So, do you have any tips for our future aspirants?
The tips I would want to give to other future aspirants is whatever I have uh, faced with the elite expertise team. The only tips I want to give is just follow what the teachers say, especially Arief sir and Harika ma'am. Those two teachers are, brilliant. I cannot deny the fact that they have been really excellent. The knowledge they have, yeah, I'm amazed by the knowledge they have. They have good experience, they have good knowledge, everything. So whatever they teach, each and everything that has been, come in the exam. So that's what I would like to say. Just go through the recorded lectures, do the mocks, and also just follow whatever Arief sir and Harika ma'am say. Yeah, they were really excellent. I did not expect it, my this thing to go this way, but yeah, I was able to clear the OPRA exam just with the help of elite expertise. I did not go through any other content, any other workbooks, nothing. Just followed elite expertise. Yes, that's what I would want to say for the future aspirants of the OPRA exam.
What was your strategy? And if I had to say, what was your magic mantra to clear this exam?
My strategy was, as I said, I started preparing. Was not more than 2.5 months. So I started preparing for 2.5 months. But in the last 1 month, have given more importance to the mock exams, and also the revision lectures in the last 2 weeks, especially the last 2 weeks of the OPRA exam from the elite expertise team. They are really helpful. They just do the continuous revision, whatever they have taught for 3 months, and that everything is covered in the last 2 weeks. And so that's what I could see in the exam. I could just hear their voices. I could just hear the mock questions. Yes, they have prepared this platform really helpful, in a way that if I just go through the lectures and just do the mocks, that's enough for me to clear the OPRA exam. So I'm really very thankful to the elite expertise team, especially Arif sir and Harika ma'am, of course.
Okay. And my last question to you: how highly do you recommend allied expertise?
If you want to clear the OPRA exam, it has to be from elite expertise. Currently, I don't think so there's any other platform you can choose, like, other than elite expertise to clear the OPRA exam. It's not like I'm just telling this one blindly. I have been through this. I have experienced it. So of course I can tell it. I have already recommended it to a few of my friends. I would recommend to anyone who asks me which platform or what area should I focus on. I'll just ask them to contact elite expertise, because I highly recommend it.
Okay, thank you so much, Tauqeer, and all the very best for your future. We hope that you clear your written and oral exam as well and become a completely registered pharmacist. Thank you so much for your time. Thank
Sure,
you.
sure.
Thank you. All the very best. Bye
Thank you so
bye.
much.
Take care.
Thanks. Bye.